In this video, we will see how to export high-resolution historical imagery from Google Earth Pro. So let's do that. Go to View and Historical Imagery. You will get the historical imagery slider. Now let's zoom to your region of interest where you want to download the satellite imagery. We have zoomed to Palm Jebel Ali. Now let's go back in time from the slider. This is the view of 2000. Let's export this image. For that, go to File and Save Image. You can turn off these elements for a clean picture. And save. Before clicking on Save, we will make the resolution as high as possible. Let's make it maximum 8K and save the image and save. Now let's move forward. This is 2000 element image. Let's save this one also. And let's see the latest view. This is 2020 image. Let's save this one also. We have saved 3 images. These are our downloaded high resolution satellite images. Let's see how it looks. This is 2000 image. And this one is 2011. And this one is 2020. You can use these images in your GIS project or for your presentation for comparison. Using this historical imagery, you can compare the images between past and present.